Hi. Okay, this is the new colorway of VG3. Okay, I've um, not I've never did unboxing or test firstware of the newer VG3. So all I did was the old VG3. Okay, so I was very interested to know how does the new VG3 fare against the older ones, okay, and what's the difference, what's the big difference about it. Okay, so I decided to order one, okay, and it still come in this box packaging, something that Nike, can you please do something about it, because I find it very annoying. The box come smashed and not in perfect condition, which for some people, like maybe a collector, like maybe 10 years down the road, if he wants to sell this pair of gloves, the box is in very bad shape whenever it's been shipped to the people. So I guess the best is still go back to glove wallets, for God's sake. Nike, please. Nike, please go back to glove wallets. Okay, enough of that rambling. Okay, I'm going to take out the okay, it still comes like that. Okay, regardless. Okay, at least this is a non-promo version of the VG3. If we have the promo version, it will just come in plastic bag, something that promo. For promo, you don't even give a glove bag. Okay, I'm ready again. Alright, so I'm gonna take it out. Okay, this is what you will have inside the glove bag. Okay, the newer, this is the newer blue color ones, I think. Okay, Nike launched this new version during the World Cup last year in 2018 June. Okay, the first colorway that they had was black and green tick. Now they've gone through many colors already. I think this is like the third or fourth color, if I'm not mistaken. The first one was black, the second one was gold, the third one was red university. This is the fourth one, the blue. Okay, so you have all the product information from Nike.com, how you should take care of your glove. Okay, what you should do when you receive the glove, which is always pre-wash. Okay, it's VG3. Okay, it's not grip 3, it's vapor grip. Okay, buy this of Just Keepers. Thank you, Just Keepers. Always good service. Okay, then you have the in English, whatever that they write, grip 3 technology for confidence. Okay, whatever that they wrote down there. If you have time, you read. I don't have time to read it. I just want to review. Okay, what's new about it is they decided to not to put contact latex anymore, but I still think this is a contact latex. They decided to put it the all conditions control. They put it the ACC at the side. Last time they used to be like a contact foam here. Okay, okay, I have the gloves. Okay, I show you. They used to have contact foam or contact plus here. Okay, as you can see that. Okay, but not anymore. They decided to put that away and they put the ACC down here. Okay, so what's new about the glove? I feel it's lighter, slightly lighter, due to the fact that they changed the backhand material. This is like neoprene, I guess, another version of neoprene, but it's not those type of like different neoprene, but it is, I think, it's not neoprene. Okay, it's like a breathable mesh. You can see here. Yeah, it looks like a breathable mesh. I think it's breathable mesh. Okay, this is breathable mesh. Yep, they're using breathable mesh. Okay, what other features or difference there is? Okay, the straps, I think it's the same, definitely the same, but Nike, I think, put it further down, so that means it used to be here, okay, but now they are like here. Okay, maybe because I think I can see that it's becoming an extended palm. If you all realize, okay, I'll show it. Okay, this is your hand, this is how you wear your gloves. The latex now is here instead of here, so they don't end here anymore, they end here. So this is, I think this is an extended palm. So now Nike did away. They put on an extended palm, without it being too like gun cut extended all the way to the wrist. This is no slight extension. Okay, but it's still considered extended palm. I still consider this as extended palm. Anything extended beyond your palm is considered extended palm. Simple as that. Okay. So what other things? Okay, the thumb, they still have the same thumb, same wrap over. Okay, but they did away with the fingers, whereby the pointer and the pinky wrap over are gone. That is characteristic of VG3. That is why I love VG3 so much. So I guess this is now more or less like a normal hybrid gloves compared to you can't call it anymore VG3 cut because this is the original VG3 cut. It's wrapped over on the pinky and it's wrapped over on the pointer, which I feel that it's a good thing because why? There's contact surface everywhere. So if your glove rotates anywhere, let's say you're catching a hard shot, okay, straight on to you, the glove rotate, there's still contact surface. But for this glove, if you take a hard shot, it doesn't rotate. See? It rotates slightly, but there's no contact surface on this. Okay, so that's the major difference, and I think it's a letdown. They shouldn't have called this VG3s even. Because a characteristic of VG3, I feel I'm a purist. It has to be radial. The fingers has to be radial. The cut has to be radial. It has to wrap over. A bit disappointed on that part. But I saw like Pickford prefers to have his pinky still the same. So it's the similar cut of similar glove, but they have still the radial cut in it, whereby I think they should have just kept that radial cut on it. So if any kind souls or maybe JP wants to donate his radial cut glove, I'm open to offers. Okay, wishful thinking of me. Okay, so enough talk about how it's how the design has changed. Okay, we look at how the QC of Nike gloves, I think, is getting back to worse. I'm a bit disappointed. See, this is brand new, but I have a thread sticking out. Not only one, two threads sticking out. Nike, what were you doing? Okay, I love Nike gloves, but this is like, it's a bit too much to bear. Like the stitching is not really well stitched. The ends are open. Then oh my god, you see the overlap. I just hate this. See the overlap, it's not properly cut. Okay, I'm very disappointed in this pair. Seriously, if I can return it, I will return it. But then again, it's gonna take days for me to get it returned. So I have to stick with it. Maybe if I'm not happy with it, I'll just sell it off. See, this is the older version whereby it's properly stitched. The lesser of the whatsoever it is. So it's like a one piece latex sewn in straight, whereby the stitching is way better than compared to the new one, which is disappointing, which I think this is like an overlap of it. You see, you can see that this is an overlap. Okay, they didn't do a good job with it. Okay, there's an overlap, see this overlap. I just hate it. I really hate it. They never cut it properly, or maybe they use a pen knife to cut instead of scissors, things like that. So I don't know how they are made. Seriously, I think this is just bad. It will give way. I had such gloves before. The stitch open. Okay, a bit disappointed. A bit disappointed. Not majorly, but it still can be soft, with a lighter. But then again, it's Nike. I think it should be better QC. Okay, and it's not cheap. Okay, okay, I'll try to put it on. Enough of that. Okay, okay, this is a size 10. Wow, this is pretty difficult to wear compared to the older ones. Okay, whereby the entry is much more smaller, but the fit, it's quite snug. compared to the old VG3, which is slightly baggy. I like the old VG3 due to the fact that it's slightly wider here. So for people with white hands, it's nice. But this one is, I think it's a bit snug for this glove compared to the older VG3. Okay. The feel of it, yes, it is a light glove. It's starting to feel light. And the cushioning, I think, is 4mm. The cushioning, I think, is similar to the older VG3. Less flexible. But you can hear the pump. This is the ACC pump. It's tacky lah, but it's not as tacky as some other gloves. Okay, the one I mentioned brands. Okay, for the backhand of it, it's foam. It's a foam, but I think the backhand material also changed. They use breathable mesh, but the breathable mesh, this material seems to be more tighter than the previous models. Even the SGT Promo that I reviewed, it has the same material, but this feels snug compared to that SGT Promo that I had. But the SGT Promo was easier to wear compared to this retail version. This one is a bit difficult, but you see, you can see it goes off easily. Okay. They still have the 3-point arrest. Two-point arrest. Okay, so that means there's one. Okay, I'm afraid that it will run, but like I told you, the wrist strap has moved down significantly, and the gloves is slightly longer compared to the old VG3, which is slightly shorter, I think, by maybe 2 centimeters. Definitely. I don't have a ruler to measure, but I think definitely 2 centimeters shorter than this. Okay. Feel is good, but yet to try it. But after seeing badly QC glove, it just spoils everything for me. I don't know how to give a fair review when my gloves come like that. Okay. This is my take on the new VG3. Fit is good. Palm is tacky. Okay. Lighter than before. And there's a few added features and a few other features. Definitely the breathable mesh way snug than it was last time. More snug feel to it compared to the old VG3. And less rotation on the pinky and the pointer, whereby the radial cut gives a lot of rotation. But if you are used to radial cut, the older VG3, which I think sometimes is a lifesaver compared to this, is like a normal hybrid cut. I mean, regular cut, roll over, roll, like regular cut. Okay, so this is the cut of it. Okay, but there are a few versions in the promo whereby there's the RVS reverse stitch. That means this two is negative. The rest are roll. But I wish if I have to change 2 points about the new Nike glove, the radial cut, bring it back, and the other thing is QC. Please QC your gloves better, Nike. I'm afraid that I will tear this one day. Definitely I will tear this. Okay. Other than that, price wise, it's not on the cheap side. It's quite difficult to take out the glove to wear as well. Because it's more snug on the wrist entry. Okay. That's why I wish for a better QC, Nike, please. And do away with the box. It just damages everything. Okay, that's my take on the new Nike VG3. Hope you like it. That's my take on it. Bye.